हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग? पढ़ाई अच्छी चल रही है? एक अल्टीमेट सीरीज ऑफ रैशनल नंबर्स स्टार्ट की है। yesterday in my video we have discussed about the introduction of rational number and closure property of rational number. Now in the continuation of properties of rational number, today we will going to discuss commutative property of rational numbers. That is also a very important property. First we will do for the addition. We will check the property, commutative property for addition. What we will check? We will check if A and B are rational numbers, then A plus B is equals to B plus A. Whether it is possible A plus B is equals to B plus A or not, we are going to check it. Let A is equals to 2 by 3 and B is equals to 2 by 7. For A plus B is equals to 2 by 3 plus 2 by 7 is equal to, we will solve it. We will take the LCM of 3 and 7. It will be 21. Now 3 7s are 21, 7 2s are 14 plus 7 3s are 21 and 3 into 2 6. It will become 20 upon 21. Now for B plus A, 2 by 7 plus 2 by 3 is equals to, again we will take the LCM of 7 and 3, we will get 21. 7 3s are 21, 3 2s are 6 plus 3 7s are 21, 7 2s are 14. We will get 20 by 21. These both are equal. ये सेम है, बराबर है ये. So that we can say A plus B is equals to B plus A. So addition is commutative for rational numbers. ये आपको समझ में आ गया? क्लियर है? Next we are going to check with this property with the another mathematical operation like subtraction. For subtraction we will check whether A minus B is equals to B minus A or not. Again we will take A as a rational number, like A is 2 by 3 and B is equals to 3 by 8. We can take any rational numbers. कुछ भी आप ले सकते हैं अपनी तरफ से और चेक कर सकते हैं प्रॉपर्टीज को. Then we will check for A minus B. 2 by 3 minus 3 by 8. We will take LCM. That will be 24. 3 8s are 24. 8 into 2 is 16 minus 8 3s are 24. 3 into 3 is 9. It will become 7 upon 24. Again we will check for B minus A. For b minus a, 3 by 8 minus 2 by 3. LCM is 24. 8 3s are 24. 3 3s are 9 minus 3 8s are 24. 8 into 2 is 16. What will be the answer? It will become minus 7 upon 24. As 16 is greater than 9 and it has negative sign, so the answer will be minus 7 upon 24. Are they equal? We will check, are they equal? They are not equal. So the conclusion is a minus b is not equals to b minus a. So subtraction is not commutative for rational numbers. आ गया सबको समझ में? इज इट क्लियर? For the next mathematical operation, we will check. Our next mathematical operation is multiplication. For multiplication, we will check whether a into b is equals to b into a, where a and b are rational numbers. Let a is equals to minus 8 by 9 and b is equals to 6 upon 5. We will put the values in the a into b. What we will get? A is minus 8 upon 9 multiply 6 upon 5. We will cut it. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Answer will be minus 16 upon 15. For b into a, b is 6 upon 5 into minus 8 upon 9. Again we will cut. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Answer will be minus 16 upon 15. So students, again we will check that they both are same, so that we can say a into b is equals to b into a. ये दोनों इक्वल है. And our property multiplication is commutative for rational numbers. Now our last operation is division. We will check this property for division also. For division, what we will do? For division, we will check a divided by b is equals to b divided by a or not, where a and b are rational numbers. Let A is equals to 2/3 and B is equals to 4/7. So we will put the values in the A upon B. A by B is 2/3 division 4/7. To solve this, what we will do, we will change the sign division into multiplication. Then क्या करना पड़ेगा हमें, जब हमने मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कर दिया, we have to reverse this number into 7/4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. What we will get? We will get 7/6. Now we are going to put the values in the B division A. B divided by A. 4/7 divided by 2/3. Again, to solve it, we will change the sign into multiplication and inverse it into 3/2. It is 6/7. तो स्टूडेंट्स, क्या ये दोनों इक्वल हैं? These two are not equal. ये इक्वल नहीं है. So the conclusion, what is the conclusion? Division is not commutative for rational numbers. So आपको ये प्रॉपर्टी, कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी फॉर रैशनल नंबर्स क्लियर हो गई होगी. थैंक यू सो मच. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टीज़ के साथ. थैंक यू.